Imagine seamless collaboration among team members, regardless of their location. With video conferencing and chat applications, business owners can assemble teams, gather insights, and make informed decisions collaboratively. Instant communication and real-time information sharing ensure all stakeholders are aligned, enhancing decision-making. Accurate information availability is crucial. Live communication tools provide a centralized platform for swift information sharing. With video conferencing, screen sharing, and file sharing, decision-makers can exchange relevant documents effortlessly. Transparency and comprehensive insights empower better choices. Time efficiency is vital in today's business environment. Live communication tools eliminate the need for physical meetings, enabling prompt decision-making. Virtual meetings can be easily scheduled, participants join from anywhere, and decision-making continues uninterrupted, even in remote work situations or crises. Effective collaboration among remote teams is crucial. Live communication tools bridge geographical gaps, maintaining a cohesive decision-making process. Virtual meetings, chat applications, and project management tools ensure team members can connect and contribute, fostering diverse perspectives and well-rounded decisions. Some decisions require visual elements for better comprehension. Live communication tools offer screen sharing, whiteboarding, and interactive presentations. Visual communication empowers decision-makers to grasp nuances and evaluate options, leading to well-informed choices. Leveraging live communication tools, such as Highbox, transform decision-making. Collaborate, provide instant feedback, and ensure time efficiency. With Highbox, you'll make real-time, well-informed choices that positively impact your organization. Embrace live communication tools, foster effective decision-making, and thrive in the digital landscape. The time for better decisions is now.